Hello, 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 House of Spice. So tonight we are going to be, I'm improvising a little bit because I don't have time to de-beard and do mussels tonight. So I'm starting out with, I got these from Aldi's and they are the bomb. I've had these for a few years now. These are absolutely amazing and they're like $2 and some change. And so I've got 4 boxes of these that I'm going to put into my pot first. I almost forgot that I am making an additional, like a little bit more sauce than what comes with the mussels, because I'm going to be adding some shrimp to it. So I'm putting in just a can of stewed tomatoes. And then to that I'm going to add some sweet basil. And we're going to say that that is about a tablespoon. Then I've got some onion powder. And we're going to say about another tablespoon of onion powder. Ooh, dusty. Then I'm going to put a little bit of ginger into this. If I can get the top off. Here we go. Just a little bit of ginger. And this is the ground ginger. I'm sorry. We're going to say about a teaspoon of that. And we're going to do about a tablespoon of minced garlic. And then I like for mine to have a little bit of a kick. So I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. If I can get it to come out. Come on. Without shaking the camera too bad. There we go. All right, and I'm going to give this a quick stir. And I'm not really worried about adding any more liquid right now because actually these mussels are partially frozen, so they've still got some water, and that's going to add some liquid to it. So let's go on ahead and get our mussels in. That's the last thing of the mussels. So we got 4 containers of mussels in there. I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables now. I've got my peppers. I got a yellow pepper, half of a yellow pepper, and a red onion here that I want to put in here. And I'm going to scrape this off camera because I'm trying to do this one-handed. I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables now. I've got my peppers. I got a yellow pepper, half of a yellow pepper, and a red onion here that I want to put in here. And I'm going to scrape this off camera because I'm trying to do this one-handed. So now we're going to put a lid on this dude and let him steam the veggies and wait for our mussels to kind of start to open up. And then once our mussels start to open, not completely open, just start to open, I'm going to throw in, I've got 2 pounds of raw tiger shrimp that I have deshelled that I'm going to toss in here as well. But I want to see how much juice I'm going to need after this has thawed out a little bit. Now we're going to put our fettuccine noodles into our salt water. We've got about 2 tablespoons of salt in the water. So I am going to boil these down until they're ready, and then that's going to be served with my seafood. Our mussels are starting to open up. So now I'm going to go ahead and just dump my shrimp in. And then I'm going to give this a good stir so that the shrimp ends up down more towards the bottom where the seasoning and everything is. And I'm also going to add a little bit of salt to taste and cover this back up again. Alrighty, our shrimp has curled, our mussels have opened, and our fettuccine is ready. So we're going to go ahead and get this plated. What up? Hello, hello, hello. My gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous House of Spice. So I feel like I'm kind of hiding behind my food tonight because I wanted to do a close-up. I did because it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. I'm just drinking lime seltzer water here. And this is by Bella V. Yeah. Anyway. So, let me do my thumbnail. Wait a minute. How do I do this? Wait a minute. Okay. Good enough. I don't care. I'm hungry. Okay. You guys saw the recipe. This is a really quick and easy. This is piping hot too, by the way. I should tell you that. Super easy recipe. Yeah. Okay, that was not helpful. Okay, we're losing most of our noodles here. But hey, you know what? That's all right. It's all right. I can just keep twirling for forever and it's not going to go anywhere. Clearly, I don't have the right technique for this. So, first bite. Really good. Really, really good. You guys know, of course, as soon as the camera turns on, these wigs are like, get her nose. I seriously wish that I could share this with you guys because it's really good. Yeah. Perfect. Got a little kick to it. Pack some away from my husband. For him for dinner tonight. I'm going to say this. He goes to work with some pretty fancy freaking dinners. I've already washed the top of this. Find my straw. Yeah. Whew. Excuse me. So if you guys haven't tried all these mussels, You should. And the tomato garlic sauce. Like I said, you know, I zhuzh them up a little bit. But like if you're not in the mood to de-beard mussels, which who is? It's a great alternative. Oh yeah. I had some scallops. I probably could have used the rest of the scallops. I told you guys, I'm not passionate. I'm not passionate about scallops. I'm not. So I spooned the juice over these noodles. Let them sit for a while. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Ooh, it's spicy. Got a little shell. I think I heard my daughter's car just pull up. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Could be my son coming in. Who knows? Ain't gonna be a whole bunch of talk in this video. When I say I'm hungry, I haven't eaten since 12:30 since I had the steak salad. Want a little bite? Oh yeah. So where's that? Hey babe. right there on the counter. You're welcome. Is that enough? Huh? You gonna taste it? What? Taste all right? I'm losing my way, y'all. All right, good night. I ain't got no conversation tonight. I want to snatch this wig off. These shrimp are everything. Yeah. So I probably got about, there's a lot of mussels left. A lot of shrimp left too. If you didn't use tiger shrimp and you only used, say, regular extra large shrimp, and this was enough to feed, I'm sorry that I keep doing this and going out of, like I said, this was enough to feed 4 people. Excuse me. So sorry. It's the seltzer water. Like I said, I've probably got $2 worth of mussels here. I'm gonna say probably about $3 worth of shrimp, some Like I said, a red pepper, an onion, can of diced tomatoes or the stewed tomatoes, what I used, and a dollar box of pasta. And then, you know, your seasonings. Yeah. Not a terribly expensive meal. And it's delicious. I should have gotten, I always forget a napkin. If y'all can see how far back this wig is sitting on my head right now when I say it's about to slide all the way off the back. Yeah. I think one more bite and I'm done. I'm full. That's it for me. I'm stuffed. I'm done. So, if you're coming back, thank you. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I would love for you to be a part of the House of Spice family. And if you want to do that, hit the subscribe button and make sure to leave me a comment because I do talk back. And that's all I got for you guys tonight. Like I said, I wasn't very chatty. I was hungry because it's 9:30 at night. And yeah. And typically the reason that I do this is because like I can move this now. Here we go. Typically the reason that I cook later is because he doesn't leave until later, you know, at night to leave. And I like to have food hot for him. So there's that. So anyway, on that note, I am going to go throw in a load of laundry because that's the highlight of my day. And, you know, and then spending time with you guys too. So there's that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching me and having dinner with me. Excuse me. This is 28 days of wigs. So I did one earlier with this dude on. See, there's an actual bang that was sitting in the middle of my head. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to get stuff. I don't want to keep touching the wig. I don't want to get stuff in it. Because, you know, this could be a good wig. $7 whole. Anyway, I love you guys. And until we meet again on the flip side, adios. May your week be blessed with health and wealth. And I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Ding. Until then, peace out.